Hello everyone, welcome back to another hair video. As you can tell by the title, an app that I have, it's called Finch. It's supposed to help with like mental health and reminding you to do things. It told me to try another haircut, as you can see, right there. Was not expecting it to do that, but I was thinking about it anyway, so I guess that's my confirmation to do it. Now, I like my hair this length, but the ends are kind of dead, and it's hard to brush through a lot of times. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to brush it all towards the front. Get myself a ponytail. It's not a very even ponytail, but close enough. I'm going to take my haircut scissors and raise this a bit, and I'm going to just start cutting upward so it doesn't make a weird shape on my head from it being in a ponytail. Oh, no going back now. Already cut some. Probably gonna regret this, but I can just blame the app. I know I should be doing this in sections, but I don't have the patience for that. Oh yeah, and since Easter's coming up, I'm gonna be dyeing my hair as well. I like this color, but I want to do something special for Easter. Come on. This is not working as I planned. There we go. Got all that off. Let's see what we're working with here. That part's gonna have to go. Whoops. Hit the microphone. Alright, so something with this part. You know what? I think that is good for now. So I can wear it to the side, or I can brush it down like I had it. I think that looks alright, at least for now. I can always change it later. Actually, let's see what it looks like from the back. Brush it down. Let's see what the back looks like. Oh, I can't really see. Yeah, it's not too bad, I don't think. Alright, so now it's time to do a bleach bath. So I got my bowl here. Add some 20 volume developer. The bleach powder, or part of a scoop. Some shampoo. I'm not adding conditioner this time because I heard that actually does not help anything. Adding a lot of shampoo though so I can lather it. Mix that up. I was going to add water to this, but it looks like it is runny enough as it is. Or maybe I'll just add more bleach powder. Yeah, I'll add more powder so I can add a little bit of water to it. So that'll help it lather. A bit of water. Alright. It's kind of runny, but that's to be expected with a bleach wash. Let's hope I don't get this anywhere. I actually really like this green color because it is my favorite color, but it's starting to fade. And like I said, I want to do something special for Easter. Yeah, I decided not to wet my hair. I gotta stop doing this in my bedroom. I'm gonna make a mess. I'm gonna go do the rest of this in the bathroom so I don't make a mess on my carpet. So I'll be right back. Alright, I've got the bleach all over. And apparently I got it on the floor anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna leave this on for probably about 30 to 45 minutes. And I'll get back to you once I rinse it out. Alright guys, it's actually a couple days later because I got busy. But I actually got most of the green out. There's just like a teeny tiny bit of blue like right here. I don't know if you can see it on this camera. It's pretty faint. But yeah, got pretty even color. The roots are a little bit darker, but that'll be okay under the color. I actually really like the color I ended up with, so I probably won't keep the other colors for too long. I'll probably go back to this. Hopefully I don't damage my hair doing that. But I'm going to do pink on this side and yellow on this side for Easter. Let me find my comb. There we go. Let me attempt. That is not straight. Let me do this in a mirror. That's a lot better. Go grab my clips. I can only find one. That'll have to do. that should be good. I'm going to start with the yellow since the pink will cover up yellow, but the yellow won't cover up pink. Okay. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to do this. Alright. I have a brush. I don't know if I'm going to use it. I'll start out using it at least. Get close to the root with it. I'm going to put this in a bowl. It'll be a little easier. I don't think I've ever actually done my hair just yellow before. I think I've only ever done like green and orange. I don't think I've ever put straight up yellow in my hair. And for the rest of the application, I'm just going to use my hands. I don't have the patience. I also have to go to work later, so I don't want to take too long doing this. All right. It's a bird outside my window. Clean up the yellow off of everything, and then I'll get started on the pink. Alrighty. Now it's time to go in with the pink. Owie. Put that in a little too tight. Oops, I hit the microphone. So, I'm using neon pink. I used neon yellow, I forgot to say. I use the brush to get close to the root, and then I'll switch to my hands, like I did before. Yeah, I got a little bit of yellow on this side, so hopefully the pink covers it up and doesn't just turn orange. But orange is a nice spring color anyway, so a little bit wouldn't be too bad. Alright, switch hands. Alrighty. Well, wrong hand. I get confused in my webcam because it mirrors things. So yeah, I'm going to leave this probably about for an hour. And I'll get back to you once it's been washed out. Well, it's all washed and dried. I think it turned out pretty cute. I can either wear it like this, or I can push it over to the side. Just gotta style it more. But yeah, I think it looks cute either way. The yellow kind of turned a little bit greenish, but that's alright. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a happy Easter. Bye-bye.